But before we can import our content, we need to create our blog entry content type. So let's go back to the browser and let's go to Structure, Content Types, and Add Content Type. We'll call this blog entry. And for the description, we'll put content that will display as part of our blog. And we'll scroll down and go through each one of these settings. Our title field label should be title, that sounds right. Preview before submitting, we'll leave it optional. And we don't need any explanation or submission guidelines just yet. I'll click over to Publishing Options. Let's make sure that Published is unchecked for now. Again, we want to make sure that we only publish content that we intend on publishing. We're also going to uncheck Promoted to Front Page. Now again, the reason for this is that we have a default home page when we install Drupal, but we're not going to use that. This Promoted to Front Page will automatically add a link and some content to that page, but we don't really want to use that page. And if we're not careful, we can accidentally publish content to that page simply by having this Promoted to Front Page here. So we want to make sure that this is left unchecked so we don't inadvertently add some content that's search engine indexable that we really don't want visible on our site. We'll leave Sticky at Top of Lists unchecked, and we'll check Create New Revision. It's always good to have backups. I'm going to click Display Settings, and we'll leave Display Author and Date information checked for now. Under Comment Settings, this time, because these are blog entries, we're going to go ahead and leave comments open. A little later on in this series, we'll be talking about some different settings to make comments work better, and also potentially replace the entire comment system in Drupal with a third-party service like Disqus, and what the advantages and disadvantages of doing something like that would be. For now, we'll go ahead and leave these open. We'll leave threading checked. Comments per page is good at 50. And ultimately, if you're building this site out for a client, you'll probably want to address each one of these things individually with the client. You want to make sure that we have this squared away. For now, we don't have many instructions about how the comment form will look. If we go back to our wireframes and scroll down on the blog entry page, you'll see that we have name, subject, and comment here under Add a Comment. So if we go back to our settings here for our comments, we want to allow the comment title. We see a field for that in the comment entry page. We're showing the reply form on the same page as the comments. That looks aligned with our wireframe as well. Preview comment, we'll go ahead and click disabled at this point, because if we look at our wireframe, we only see submit. We don't see a preview button. Okay, and then menu settings, because we don't want individual posts to display as menu items, we're going to uncheck main menu here so that no menu items are available for posting this piece of content to. Okay, so we've gone through everything here. Let's go ahead and save the content type.